This small content creator generated $18,753 as a small TikTok shop affiliate in under 30 days. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how this happened, the type of video that she did, and we're going to deconstruct everything so you can hopefully take some of this away and apply it onto your TikTok shop affiliate journey, especially if you're based in the USA, because now is the best time to jump onto TikTok shop affiliate before this ban potentially kicks in and spoils everything. All the tools that I'll be using will be linked in the description, but let's jump straight into this. Shop affiliate is by far the best way, in my opinion, to make money as a content creator on TikTok in 2024. Even if you live in the United States, where TikTok is potentially going to get banned in a couple of months, TikTok shop affiliate in the USA is crazy at the moment, especially because TikTok is trying to make the most of it before this potential ban. If you're not jumping onto TikTok shop affiliate, you need to do so right now, especially if you're based in the USA. I'm going to show you an example here of a creator who's recently done something ridiculous. I'm using Kalo data, by the way, here. I've linked it in the description if you want to check it out. I'm also using another tool called Shop Plus. I've linked that in the description as well. They essentially show you how much people are making as content creators on TikTok, as well as some other really useful information. The example that I want to talk about today is this creator right here. This is absolutely outrageous. This is a 7-second long video, and that's how much she's brought in as revenue for the shop that she is promoting the product for. The product she's promoting is a multi-purpose digital camera. This is the last 30 days. This is showing in pounds because I'm in the United Kingdom. If you're in the USA, you can obviously do your currency conversion, but I would estimate it's around $150,000 or thereabouts. So that's how much money she has generated or brought in TikTok shop revenue. Now, I'm just going to play this video and then I'm going to circle back, deconstruct what she's done here exactly, and of course talk about how you can go about doing this to replicating this type of video as a TikTok shop affiliate if you're based in the USA. I've muted the video because it has got a copyright song in there. She literally does not say anything in this video verbally. She's got a caption that's on the screen, she's got the camera that she's promoting, and she's just vibing to this song for 7 seconds, and that is literally it. And a video that is this simple, that was probably filmed, and the whole idea and the whole production of it, no more than about 5 to 10 minutes, generated this much revenue. In the last 7 days, this is how much she's made. It's going to load here in just a second. £57,000, and dollars again, it's going to be much higher than that. And in the last 90 days, that's how much in total she's made. But again, this video was uploaded on the 10th of May 2024, so it's a new video, but yet she's managed to generate that much revenue. Now, if we look at the hashtags, obviously, that she's used, these are the tags on the TikTok video itself. Again, nothing special, just digital camera, flash, FYP, that's it. We've got the sound that she's used here, and we've got obviously some other useful information. You can download the video if you have got Kalo data, or you can just go onto TikTok and find the video there. You can also download video scripts as well. If she was talking and you were interested in sort of deconstructing what she's said and just understanding word for word how she promoted the video, you just download the script and Kalo data will download the script for you. You can see how many followers she's got on here as well. Also interested in mentioning is for this type of product, you get 12% commission as a TikTok shop affiliate. So if I go back onto Shop Plus, which again, this will also be linked in the description. I like to use both of these together, but if I had to choose one tool, I would probably go with Shop Plus, but I digress. So on Shop Plus, it actually shows us how much commission you generate from this product if you're promoting it. If I go on here on the product page, I've just done a product search at the top there, and that's how I've come to this page. And you can see here 12% commission. So that essentially means she has made 12% off this in commissions. These are commissions that she can take home. So essentially take home profit. So if I bring up a calculator and just put it on the screen here, we're going to work out roughly how much that is. So if we go $122,650 and multiply that by 12%, that is £14,718. Now I know I've said dollars, it's actually in pounds, so I'm just going to convert that into dollars and let's see what we come up to. And again, this is because I'm based in the UK, that's why it's appearing like that at the moment. So I'm just going to go, and you can't see what I'm doing because I'm on a different screen. So currency, and if we go to pounds to dollars, pounds to US dollars, and if we put in the £14,000, so 14,718, that works out to $18,753 in the last 30 days with a 7-second video where she does not speak. She does show kind of half of her face. It's that easy in the USA right now to make more money in 30 days than some people make working a full-time job by doing a silly little video here where you're just vibing to a song, where you're just holding the product that you're promoting. And the product itself, price-wise, it is around anywhere from £13, so maybe around $20. So she could have got this from Amazon, next day delivery, or she could have got it directly from TikTok, maybe bought it from TikTok shop. Alternatively, she could have gone to the sample section of the product marketplace, which is something that I cover extensively in my product research videos. I'll probably link one in the description for you to go and check out. But she could have gone directly to the shop and she could have said, can you send me that camera in order for me to promote it in my video? And they could have sent it completely free if they felt that she was the right fit in order to be able to do that. So, and you know, if you are based in the USA at the moment, you know, if you are down on your luck, if you are, you know, you've lost your job, you're struggling for one reason or another, you're a parent, you've got children, or you're just, you know, a teenager, or you're studying and you're looking to make some extra income, whatever it is, and you are also a content creator. You don't even need to be that good of a content creator. Literally, you could be starting content creation tomorrow and still be making money as a TikTok shop affiliate. Here is an example that you can look at. And again, there's scores and scores of creators. As you can see here on Kalo Data, if I've gone onto the video tab at the top there, and this shows you scores and scores of different people, different creators of different sizes that are absolutely smashing it, promoting products. If I go into the creator tab, just to kind of give you an idea, because this, again, this is what I find absolutely insane with TikTok shop affiliate, because it doesn't matter how many followers you've got. You've got creators that have hundreds of thousands of followers, but right next to them making the same amount of money, if not more, you've got creators that have got less than even 10k followers. You've got creators that have got less than even 6k followers. In some instances, you've got creators that have got less than even 5,000 followers, which is the minimum. I think the minimum follower requirement for the USA has gone down to like 1,000 followers at the moment. But you've got creators that have got even less than that are also absolutely smashing it and raking in money as affiliates. Look at this one here. They've got just over 6k followers, but yet they're standing shoulder to shoulder with creators that have got more than, like 186,000 there. You've got 12k there. And if we go on to the page after that, you've got, creators, they've got under 3,000 followers, this creator. They've generated that much in revenue, so about $90,000 roughly. And they've generated roughly the same amount of revenue as a creator who's got 1 million followers. So it doesn't matter how big your account is, as long as you know how to create a video, as long as you're someone that's got, a camera of some sort, which a lot of people do, or even if you can create, how to put together faceless videos, you can do that as well using AI and so forth. There's various different ways. There's lots and lots of different options that you can utilize in order to start making money as a TikTok shop affiliate. There's no excuses at all. And again, don't get, my advice, take it or leave it. Do not get swept up by the hype of the ban. TikTok is still operating as normal currently. In fact, if not even better than before, because it's trying to entice more and more people, especially in the USA with the ban. They're trying to get more and more people on their side to kind of, fight the case for them that they do need to continue being live in the USA, that, you know, they are changing people's lives. They're essentially pretty much throwing money at people at the moment, because the more users they've got in the USA, I think that makes their case better for them to take to, you know, courts and say, you know, look at how many people we've added in the last, you know, 3-4 months. Look how many lives we've changed. Look at how much revenue we've generated, and therefore, you know, extend our, you know, stay in the US, or, you know, remove the ban, or whatever it is they want to say. It just looks better on them, essentially. So they are literally throwing money at people in the US currently. I mean, look at this creator right here. She's got 212 followers, and she's generated around $60,000 promoting these clothing products here. There's scores and scores, and there's pages and pages. And again, if you use a tool like Kalo Data here, or even Shop Plus, you can see plenty of case studies and plenty of examples of people that are making money right now as TikTok Shop affiliates. And if you're looking to get started and you're trying to find people that are where you want to be, if you want to be able to download their videos and use them as sort of your North Star, use them as your inspiration, and understand how they go about promoting products, you've got these examples right here that you can go about looking at, studying, deconstructing, and essentially just doing the same thing that they're doing, so you can get the same result that they're getting. The last video that I released was showing a creator who smashed an absolutely ridiculous amount of commission by duetting a video as a TikTok Shop affiliate, which is just absolutely bonkers. And I would urge you to go and check that video out as well, because that is by far one of the easiest ways to make videos that generate commissions as affiliates. Now, if I scroll down on this page here on Kalo Data, you can see there's a bunch of other creators as well that are also making money by promoting this same multi-purpose digital camera product here. Some of these videos are ads, so the shops have, you know, paid for ads to push the videos. You can see those with the little icon on the top right, but a lot of them are just organic videos, just organic TikTok traffic, just pushing these creators out because they are promoting these videos. And again, what I find even crazier with TikTok Shop affiliate is TikTok must prioritize your videos, because they make money when TikTok Shop affiliate videos make money. When these shops that are selling these products make money, TikTok takes a cut as well. So they are well incentivized to support you to get conversions essentially and make money as well. Yes, you know, I'm not saying, you know, you're going to get thrown views and go viral with every video. However, they are more incentivized to push this as opposed to pushing, like, you know, the creativity program beta, because in my opinion, I feel like this is a more long-term, more sustainable way for them to make money, as opposed to revenue share or revenue splitting with, you know, creators on advertising revenue. But that is just my opinion. I could be right, I could be wrong, I don't know. But crazy. But there you go, 7-second long video. I still can't believe it, and I find it hard to say that how much money they made with such a small short video. Again, all the show notes will be in the description. I will link these tools in the description as well, and I will link them in the pinned comment, so you can go and check out this example and hopefully get fired to start creating content as a TikTok Shop affiliate, especially if you are in the USA, to make the most of this opportunity while it still exists. And this time right now is one of the best opportunities for people to jump in and make money in the USA before TikTok completely disappears.